Is it worth £850, that jacket? What is up guys, welcome back to another video, right? So today what we have got is part 2 of is a Moncler jacket worth £850 plus? Because I did a video in February, which is quite a while ago now, and for some reason it started to get a lot of views and a lot of people wanted to see it. So I thought I'd do a part 2, just because I didn't fully go over it and didn't fully explain the materials. I'm also going to compare it to a different jacket this time, which is more of a similar style. Also very cheap, £40. So a £40 jacket versus an £850 jacket. But I thought it'd be quite interesting to see what differs and should you actually spend that much money on a coat like. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, I really appreciate it. Drop this video a like and let's get into it. Right, so I'm going to try on the Moncler jacket first. It's a size large. I always said large, but it's 4. It's number 4. So the Moncler jacket is a number 4. It's not a fake. Don't at me. 4, which is equivalent to a large. Anyway, right, Moncler Clovis in navy. And it's a black label as well. Right, so as you've seen in previous videos, it's a really nice fit. It fits me perfectly. Length on the sleeves is really good. The colour of it I really like. It's got 100% polyamide. This section here, which is like the quilted shiny stuff. And then this bit is 100% wool. Don't know if you can fully see it. And then for the insulation, it is 100% goose down, which is the best to keep you warm. This coat will keep you very warm if you're just wearing a t-shirt. Aesthetics wise, I think it does look really nice. Obviously got the logo on the sleeve. I know it's the black one and it's more low key. So if you want to buy it for status and if you want to buy it to be seen, don't buy this black label one because people probably won't recognise it. They're not going to go, oh look, he's got a Moncler jacket, he must have a lot of money. That's why people buy Moncler jackets. And that is my point with this video. A lot of people will buy something like this just to be seen. It's like a status symbol. Designer clothes is a status symbol, isn't it, to be honest? You don't need to wear designer stuff to impress other people. You shouldn't even really care about what other people think. You just need to do you and focus on you. But if you really like the jacket and it fits you perfectly and you want to invest that money into it, then by all means go for it. But don't just spend your money to impress others. It's the root of disaster, isn't it? It's not good. But I do really like this jacket. Quality, the fit, the feel, it's really nice. I just don't know if it's worth the money, in my opinion. Like, I'd rather spend that money on a trip or an experience. That's just my opinion though. Right, let's try on the £40 one. Right, so I literally got this in from ASOS today. It's a threadbare, similar jacket with a collar, black, extra large this one, and this was £40. So imagine how many of these you could get for the price of that. Let's see. So obviously it's not going to be as good as that one. Let's be honest, it's not going to be as good, but is it a good enough substitute? Is it a good enough cheap option? That's what we're trying to determine here. And the fit of it is really good. Fits me well on the sleeves, on the body. It's got a bit of a tailored fit to it. It's got zip pockets, which is always nice. You want that in a coat, don't you? It's quite a nice jacket. 100% polyester. It's got no down in it, so it's not going to keep you as warm with just a t-shirt on. Like, you probably might need to wear a hoodie or something underneath. But to be honest, for 40 quid, it's a very decent coat. Very affordable. Most people can afford 40 quid, can't they? So if you want to just look decent in a coat, but you're not bothered about the status, then just get a coat that is like ranging from like 40 to £100. You can still get a very decent coat there in that range. Yeah. Is it worth £850, that jacket? It's a big question, isn't it? And people are going to say, oh, it's such high quality craftsmanship, it's taken ages for them to build the brand up, it's been going for 20 years and nobody heard about it, and now it's just a status symbol now. But yeah, that's why now it's become so big, because It is a status symbol and people want to be seen wearing it. But anyway, my opinion is, if you're earning a good amount of money and you've got that disposable income to afford it, go out and get it. You're going to feel special in that coat. You're going to feel really good. It's going to look good. It's going to fit sick. It's just going to keep you very warm as well. It is a very nice coat, don't get me wrong. I'm not slating Moncler. It's a very nice, high quality brand. But if you're a younger guy, you're just starting out in your career, or you're at uni, you've not got that much money, you've not even got a job, you don't need to be seen wearing that coat. You don't need to have a coat like that in order to be a better person or to have a status of like a celebrity. It doesn't matter. Don't care about any of that. Save your money, spend it on a trip, a holiday, some memories, or going away with your girlfriend, going away with your friends, creating all these memories while you're young. Let me know in the comments, what do you think below? Is a Moncler jacket worth the price? Or should you just get something more affordable like this? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll link both jackets in the description if you do want to check them out. I think the Moncler one might have sold out now, but I'm not too sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Drop this video a like, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later, guys.